Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, in this video I will show you how to use digital clump meter. So now you can see now it is in off. Here you can see amps. This symbol is for ampere. You can, if you have big machinery, you can choose 600 ampere. If you have small machinery, you can choose 200 ampere. Next you have volt. You can see this symbol is for AC volt. Here you can check the voltage. How? You need to bring it meter from here, and you need to choose the cable, this two, for voltage, and then you have DC volt. Cable should be same, and the meter you need to rotate to DC volt. The DC volt symbols you can see here. This symbols is for DC volt, straight line and then 3 dot down. This for DC volt. And connectivity you can check, and here 2000 ohm, and you can see if there is like this is beep sound. You can check the machinery like conductor, any wire, any short circuit, you can check here. You can bring it to here, and then with cable you need to red and black, you need to check the machinery like that. So this how, and this cable you need to change to this ohm resistance. So here you can fix the cable both, and meter you need to set here, and you can check the motor. This how you need to use the clump meter. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. You will get electrical, air conditioning and refrigeration video from this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.